everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Dr. Shuchi, the Anthropologist. This is part 3 of our series, Social-Cultural Anthropology and Introduction. In this video, we will explore research methodology in social-cultural anthropology, focusing on ethnographic methods and in-depth fieldwork. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to stay connected with our academic discussions. Thank you.
The ethnographic method is central to social cultural anthropology. It involves long-term engagement with communities to understand behavior, social structures, and cultural meanings. Ethnographers observe, participate, and reflect to see how people create and maintain their cultural worlds. In-depth fieldwork. Live in the community for months or years to learn the language, join daily life, and build trust. Participant observation. Participate in and observe cultural activities to understand behavior, rituals, and social interactions firsthand. Interviews and oral histories. Use structured, semi-structured, or unstructured conversations to collect life stories, experiences, and community perspectives. Life history method. Record detailed personal accounts to link individual experiences with broader cultural and social patterns. Genealogical method. Map kinship, descent, and marriage relations to study family structure, inheritance, and alliances. Case study approach. Conduct intensive analysis of a community, event, or issue to gain rich, context-specific insights. Comparative method. Examine multiple societies or cultures to identify similarities, differences, and general principles underlying human behavior. Ethnographic mapping. Systematically chart spatial, demographic, and ecological data to understand social environmental interactions. Multi-sited ethnography. Study cultural processes across multiple locations by following people, ideas, or objects in a global context. Visual and digital anthropology use photography, video, and digital media to document and interpret cultural life, making research easier to share and understand. Documentation and field notes. Maintain detailed written, audio, or visual records to preserve context and ensure accuracy. Emic and etic perspectives. Combine insider, that is emic, and outsider, that is etic views for a balanced and comprehensive understanding of culture. Reflexivity. Critically examine the researcher's own positionality, biases, and influence on the research process. Triangulation. Use multiple methods and data sources to validate findings and enhance analytical reliability. Collaborative and participatory methods. Engage community members in research to promote inclusivity, shared insights, and empowerment. Longitudinal research. Return to the same community over time to study continuity and cultural change. Questionnaire technique. Use structured questions to collect measurable data on attitudes and behaviors, supplementing qualitative insights. Survey method. Conduct systematic data collection from larger populations or representative samples to analyze social and demographic trends. Statistical methods. Apply quantitative analysis to interpret numerical data, identify correlations, and substantiate ethnographic observations. Data analysis combines thematic, narrative, interpretive, and statistical techniques to identify patterns, meanings, and relationships within qualitative and quantitative datasets. Ethical considerations ensure informed consent, confidentiality, cultural sensitivity, and respectful representation of participants and communities. These methods give anthropologists a complete toolkit for studying culture. By observing, participating, and analyzing, they reveal how people create meaning, sustain traditions, and adapt to change. Ethnographic methodology in social cultural anthropology involves immersive long term engagement with communities using diverse qualitative and quantitative tools to understand human behavior and cultural meanings. It integrates observation, participation, analysis, and ethics to reveal how people construct, maintain, and transform their cultural worlds.
Where there's human, there's anthropology. So keep exploring with Dr. Shuchi Srivastava, the anthropologist.